Get a little closer so you can see it.
Okay. I guess it's not that big a deal. It's just, damn, son.
Alright. Is it not light?
Hang on. I gotta get a good angle at this so it's not just...
Blurred. Alright, you good?
Nope. Alright, go.
Here we go. This is Joe Danger, guys. And Iron Extreme. Woo! And let's check out the score. Holy cowabunga. Yeah, you try playing Joe Danger like that. Yeah. Right, end video. End video.